Kitchen vocabulary. Today, we will learn kitchen utensils, tools, and cookware. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Do you know all of these? Let's start. Spatula. Spatula. Ladle. Ladle. Tongs. Tongs. Whisk. Whisk. Peeler. Peeler. Grater. Grater. Colander. Colander. Sieve. Sieve. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Cutting board. Cutting board. If you're still here, you're learning fast. Let's continue. Knife. Knife. Fork. Fork. Spoon. Spoon. Measuring cup. Measuring cup. Measuring cups. Measuring cups. Measuring spoons. Measuring spoons. Mixing bowl. Mixing bowl. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Garlic press. Garlic press. Don't skip. The unique utensils are coming next. Strainer. Strainer. Potato masher. Potato masher. Pizza cutter. Pizza cutter. Can opener. Can opener. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. Grilling tongs. Grilling tongs. Basting brush. Basting brush. Ice cream scoop. Ice cream scoop. Soup bowl. Soup bowl. Serving spoon. Serving spoon. Tawa griddle. Tawa griddle. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Frying pan. Frying pan. Saucepan. Saucepan. Stock pot. Stock pot. Baking tray. Baking tray. Muffin tray. Muffin tray. Oven mitts. Oven mitts. Dish rack. Dish rack. Most people don't know these last utensils. Let's see if you do. Tandoor skewer. Tandoor skewer. Chapati stand. Chapati stand. Masala box. Masala box. Tea strainer. Tea strainer. Water jug. Water jug. Storage container. Storage container. Cutting shears. Cutting shears. Rice spoon. Rice spoon. Egg slicer. Egg slicer. Lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer. Butter knife. Butter knife. Gravy boat. Gravy boat. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. Rolling board. Rolling board. Grill pan. Grill pan. Great job. Keep practicing every day.